Okay, so today we will solve the first question of exercise 4.2, which is find the roots of quadratic equation if they exist by completing the square method, right? So here they have given very clear cut instruction that we have to find the root of a quadratic equation if they exist by completing the square method. So first of all we have to find out whether the root of this equation exists or no. So for a quadratic equation, for its root, if they are real and if they exist, then the value of discriminant d, it should be greater than equal to 0, right? So if it is not greater than equal to 0, means it is less than 0, then the root of the quadratic equation are not real and they do not exist, and the value of d is b square minus 4ac. Okay, so first of all we will write our given equation: 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. We will compare this equation with standard quadratic equation and we will find out the value of a, b and c. So the standard quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. From here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 3 are the three values of the constants a, b and c. So from here we can find the value of d. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac, which is equal to minus 7, because the value of b is minus 7. Minus 7 square minus 4 into the value of a is 2 and the value of c is 3. It will be minus 7 square is 49 minus 4 into 2 8 and 8 into 3 is 24. This is equal to 25, which is greater than and equal to 0. Obviously this is greater than 0, so it means that the root of this equation, root of given equation exists, right? Now because the root of this equation exists, now we have to find this root by completing the square method. Okay, I will rewrite my equation, my given equation again. The given equation is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now you remember one thing: whenever you want to solve the equation by completing the square method, first of all you get rid of the coefficient of x square. So if I want to get rid of coefficient of x square, what I will do is I will divide this whole equation by 2. So what I will get is, I will get x square minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Remember, this is a very important step. You have to get rid of the coefficient of x square. So to get rid of this, I have divided this equation by 2. So this is now final equation which I have got. Now what I should do is, I will add and subtract. Again remember it very clearly. I will add and subtract 1 by 2 into coefficient, okay, coefficient of x whole square to this equation. Okay, now here the coefficient of x is 7 by 2. So what I will do is, I will add and subtract 1 by 2 into minus 7 by 2 whole square to this equation. So let us see how it will look like. it will look like this. X square will be as it is, minus 7 by 2x will again be as it is, right? Now I will add, okay, 1 by 2 into minus 7 by 2, because this is coefficient of x square, its square. Okay, I am adding this term and I will subtract this term also. So this is 1 by 2 into minus 7 by 2, its whole square. So because these two will cancel out each other, so it will not affect this equation. Then plus 3 by 2 was already there, and I will equate this equation is equal to 0. If you will see, actually this equation is unaffected. I have added the same term and I have subtracted the same term. Okay, so now I will get x square minus 7 by 2x. So this will be 7 square is minus 7 square is 49. Okay, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 square is 16. So I will get 49 over 16. This will be again 49 over 16 plus 3 by 2 as it is. This is equal to 0. Now what I will do is I will keep these three terms into one side of this equation, and I will move these two terms to the other side of this equation. Okay, so what I will get x square minus 7 by 2x plus 49 by 16. I can write it as 7 by 4 square. Okay, this is equal to 3 by 2 will go there, 49 by 16 will also go there, so this will become plus 49 by 16. This will become minus 3 by 2. Okay, I will further simplify this. Okay, so I will further simplify this. So I can write this x as it is. I will write this x square as it is. Now this I can write as 2 into 7 by 4, right? So 7 by 2 can be written as 2 into 7 by 4, right? X is already there, plus 7 by 4 whole square is already there. This is equal to, I will simplify this. This will become, if I'll take 16 as, so it will be 49 minus 24, correct? Okay, now if you will see this term, you see this whole term, this is actually a minus b whole square. If you will clearly see, this is equal to a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so here a is equal to x and b is equal to 7 by 4, right? So I can directly write this term as, a minus b whole square. So a is x and b is 7 by 4. I can write it at whole square. This will be equal to, I can simplify this, 49 minus 24 is 25 upon 16. Okay, I will take square root to the both side of this equation, but I will get x minus 7 by 4 is equal to plus minus square root of 25 by 16. So x minus 7 by 4 will be equal to plus minus. Always remember to put this plus minus, because square, when we take the square root, we have to write it plus and minus. Okay, it will become 5 by 4. Okay, so it means that x is equal to, I will move this to this side, this will become plus, so 7 by 4 plus minus 5 by 4. I can further simplify it. So the value of x is equal to, okay, 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4, this is one value, and x is equal to 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4, this is the other value of x. I have taken one value by plus, another value by minus. So here I can say x is equal to 7 plus 5 is 7 plus 5 upon 4 is one value, and x is equal to 7 minus 5 upon 4 is other value. So from here my x is equal to 12 upon 4, and from here x is equal to 2 upon 4. So x is equal to 3 is one answer, and x is equal to 1 by 2 is another answer. So these two are the root of this quadratic equation, right? So x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 by 2 is the root of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is the answer.